Yeah, g'day everyone. This is a slightly different shape than your square or rectangle shower base, but it's still the same principle. You go level all the way around, making sure you're level on the outside. Then you fall to your waist. Okay, I'm level all the way around. We'll fill in that. Oh, that's noise. Bit more mud. Notice I didn't bang it on the waterproof. I used my wooden float to bang my bucket because you could cut your waterproof easily. Just something to remember, DIYers. Right, we're coming down there. I determined that height for my waist before. Going from the wall, not sloping from the wall, not from that inside edge. Sloping from the wall, don't forget. That's a nice fall, see that? Slope it from the wall down to that predetermined height. And you're way laughing. Go around in gentle circles. Don't try and scrape it. Put the excess back in the bucket. Always making sure you don't have any mud down that hole. You'll always get odd shapes in your shower trays. Using mud in your shower tray, I reckon, is the, well, I don't know any other way really. Other countries, they use different methods, but in Australia this is the only way. And there's two ways of waterproofing. One is under your screeded bed, and the other one is over your screeded bed, and then you stick to your tiles. The only thing that I'm against that is if you ever have to replace a tile and you're sticking straight to waterproof, you can stuff up your membrane by digging into it. This way, if you ever had to pull up a tile, you can. See the fall in that shower? That is like it'll be falling, the water will be running down that hole before your feet even get wet. And we're good to go. Now I'll lay out my tiles, trim for my waste, put glue on my tiles and pop them straight down. I'll be back to you soon. See ya.